everyone.
Good day, everyone!
Hi guys!
Magandang umaga sa lahat.
Now it's time for me to give you the tour of my mini garden. Come! I have the Kalanungay and Alabati. Here I have some mangosteens. These are garlics. These are tomatoes. These are onions. These and all of these are lettuces.
Una kong tatanim ay alubati. Ang pangalawa ko tatanim ay sibuyas. Ang tatlo kong tatanim ay galay.
These are my plants. On the big container, I transfer my pizza into the bottle of Coca-Cola. These two are alubati. This is the onion. This is the lemongrass. This is the eggplant. After a week, I will transfer this into a big container so it will grow and healthy. To take care of my plants, I water them in morning and afternoon. I put organized fertilizer, organic fertilizer. Like banana peels, these vegetables, and I take out the weeds.
Today I'm gonna tell you about my project in our plant, which is named Adopt a Garden, and now I'm gonna water the plants. You need to water the plants so they will grow. And you need plenty of sunshine so it can grow.
So today we're gonna be doing the day 2 of Adopt a Garden. So we changed a pot because we don't like the other pot and we wanted to change it. So for today's video, we're gonna be watering the plants to make it grow. Remember, it also needs enough sunlight. So let's start. Hi guys, as you can see, my plants grow already. So now we're gonna be finalizing, decorating, and designing my mini garden. Next, we're gonna be putting the marbles. Honeybee. So nice already, right? Ito ang aking maliit na hardin. At ito naman ang mga itinanim kong halaman. Ito ay tanglad, angkong, sibuyas, mangga, palabok, at sayote. Ito ang aking mga halaman pagkalipas ng isang linggo. Ang pag-aalaga ko sa aking mga halaman ay panang lupa, pagtanggal ng damo-damo, pagdilig ng mga halaman,